So they need 126. Where am I reading here? Is it on the second page? First page. 120. Okay, power connection. Everybody can see that power connection? Everybody can see what they need power connection. Now I need to load the power connection. It's not there. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Okay. For power connection, if you guys look at note number 1 here, go read about the power connection. It says powered, provide hardwired connection to powered modular furniture located as specified by the owner. Provide floor boxes to feed powered modular furniture from each floor box. Feed a maximum of 5 cubicles. Did you hear the word 5 cubicles? So we need a floor box that can feed how many cubicles? 5. Okay. Provide a home run to each floor box consists of 3 hots. Did you hear that? How many circuits to every box we need? 3. Okay, so that's a description. 3 hots and 3 neutrals. Why do you think they have these neutrals? Harmonics. They need 3 neutrals and 2 grounds. Anybody knows why they have 2 grounds? 1 dirty ground and 1 clean ground. Right? Dirty means it will take care of the harmonic. It will not get interference with the electronic equipment. This is typical, guys. 2 grounds. Okay, then connect 2 of the hot controls to the data equipment and circuit the rest of them for circuits such that the maximum of 3 circuits are on 1 circuit. Blah blah. This is just how the furniture will be circuit. So do you guys understand? Though I need a floor box that can feed how many receptacles? How many cubicles? 5. So let's go do that. Now I don't have a floor box, do I? Let's go load it. So how do you know if you have a floor box? Go under devices. Did you see any floor box?
No.
No. So we're gonna go load it. Let's go load. Insert. Everybody's load, insert, load. Everybody load, insert. Am I going too fast? Load, insert. Okay, under insert, we're gonna go to electrical components. I think it's under connectors. Let me think here. Not connectors. I lied to you. Under electrical power terminals. Do you see a floor box with power? I forgot where. They should be somewhere here. Okay, maybe not here. Under distribution. Here you go. Go under distribution. Can you guys see where it says junction box load, junction box no load, junction box load, junction box no load? Where are you, Chad? I'm right in here. Under electrical components, electrical power distribution. How would I know? If you guys don't know, how do you know? You have to look. That's getting used to the material that you have. Everybody's there? Now, the difference between load and no load. If you put no load, you cannot circuit it. We're going to put a box that we're going to assign a load to it. Why? Because this will be a box in the floor and we're going to tie the furniture to it. Thumbs up, Chad? Okay, let's go. Click on the one that load. Everybody, junction box will load, right? And hit open. Oh, okay. So I loaded that boy. Cool? Thumbs up, Chad? All right, let's go in. Let's go drop that boy. Go.
1900 boxes?
It's a floor box. For this, there are 2 things, guys. Revit, treat them as a floor box. There's so many ways of you can design anything you want, but just follow up with me with the floor box. These are what we're okay. So let's go just electrical again. Home, electrical devices, electrical fixtures, and right under electrical fixture, can you guys see the options that you guys have? Now you have junction box, load, J box load. Can you guys see that? Can I have thumbs up if you guys see it? Okay, now you have options. It's a square box. Here's the options that you have. You have 120. This is 1 circuit, 2 circuits, 3 circuits. How many circuits did we say we're going to bring to each J box? 3. Everybody knows why I want to pick the 283? Yep. Why 208? 283, guys, it will give you the voltage face to face is 208, but 3 circuits. The 3 circuits are 120 each. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? These are, they call them 283, meaning it's really the voltage to ground, the neutral is 120. Face to face is 208, which is typical in 28120 system. So I'm going to, why 3 circuits? If I need 277, can you guys see the 277 there? Okay, so I'm going to grab this one. Okay, everybody grab the right one. All right, do you see it in my hand? Do you guys see it? 28-3. This is going to be feeding 120 receptacle. Okay, now this is a floor box that's going to feed how many cubicles? 5. So here's what I suggest. This is where to drop that boy. I'm going to drop one here. And remember how many? And one here. Can you guys see how many? I have, here's one for the first 5, one for the second 5. And what do you think, Jeff? Does it take a genius to drop one here for the second 5 and one here for this? Okay. So I dropped 4. Why did I drop 4? And I can adjust the location slightly. Now the problem is you can't pick them up because they're under the furniture. Here's the challenge is there's some furniture here. So you got to be careful when you drop them and move. So you might not be able to drop them, guys, because they are under the furniture. There's a desk here. I don't know if you can see. So you might have to zoom in a little bit and go adjust it just because of the furniture. Okay. All right. Did you guys drop 3 J boxes for this equipment? Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We dropped that boy.
Top part of the open office.
Okay. Where's the top part? So I have one for the 5, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, there's still an upper part.
In the far right side.
Now good point. Hold your horses. Now for the open office, let's go back to the criteria though. It says power connection for the island cubes. Everybody hear the island cubes? What did they say about the north and the south? Did you see what they say about the north and the south and the east walls? One receptacle per cube. Okay, you can throw in the wall. If you have a wall, you can throw the receptacle in the wall. Cool.
And you want one quad too.
One quad, or they need another one quad for each. Okay, so let's go grab a quad. So we have a receptacle here. Everybody drop these. Let's go quad. I don't think we have a quad. Insert, load, electrical components. This was it under power terminals, I think. Receptacle, duplicate receptacle. Do you see quad?
Yeah.
There you go, quad. Everybody can see the quad here? Do you see, guys, where you can find your information? I'm not going to lead you through all of them. Everybody can see where you search for the stuff that you need. Okay, go load that baby quad. I loaded my quad. Now I'm going to go home. Am I going too fast? Or am I the slowing kid in the class? Terminals? Yep. So, okay, so go home. Electrical devices, electrical fixtures. Here's my quad GFCI. Let me see what do I have under quad.
There's a plane if you scroll down.
There you go. I need a duplex. Oops. I don't need GFCI. Plane here. So here's my quad. I need a quad for each one of these cubicles. If you guys read through the directions, I'm going to have a quad here in the wall and quad here and a quad here in the wall. And these are windows. Yeah. So I'm going to put my quads. Did I attach one to the window? The problem when you pick them, guys, when you put them under, because there's furniture here, it becomes hard to see them or to grab them. So what I would do, oops, I come from here, I grabbed my fixture, and I'm going to go here and move it slightly to the wall here, under the window. Okay, so I have 3 quads. For the cubicles, what else do they need? They need for also the north, they need 1 receptacle and 1 quad, 1 receptacle for each. So I'm going to go grab another receptacle. So one more time, devices, where are we, Chad? Devices, electrical equipment. I need 1 more, not quad this time. I need just regular receptacle. Here's my regular receptacle, non-GFCI, and I'm going to go drop that boy here. Here's 1 here. Are you guys following, or am I the slowest kid in the class? Here. And here. Okay. All right, so this is what they want in this area. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? That's it. Don't ask about circuiting yet. Don't ask about circuiting.
Nice.
What did I say?
So are there going to be actual like floor receptacles or something like that?
No, these are wall-mounted receptacles. Yeah, they're junction. If
Is it going to be core drilled? Those J boxes?
No, there will be a box exactly like this in the wall.
Yeah, for the island cube.
The island cube.
Island cubes, the way they're gonna do it, the guys, the island cubes, if I can, may I ask, have your attention, guys? Imagine this is the island cube here. What they do is they have a gearbox right in here with flexible metallic conduit cable coming out of it and tying directly to a gearbox in the furniture. That's how they do it.
You're gonna have to drill the floor.
They don't drill, it's already there. They build it in the concrete. When they put the slab, they put it right with the slab. That's
So
pre-designed.
does each like island cube have a receptacle in it that's coming from that gearbox? Or?
No, the criteria said one receptacle for every five.
Okay.
5 cubicles. Okay. All right. So everybody's there, guys. Let's go drop. So can I have thumbs up that we know how to drop a quad, a junction box with power, and a single duplicate receptacle? If you need a GFCI, do you guys know where to find the GFCIs? Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go drop mechanical equipment. I'm gonna flip into. Well, let's. You know what? Let's go circuit these boys. Let's go circuit these boys, and then we'll come back to the receptacle. Let's look at the circuit criteria. Do you guys remember what the circuit criteria? The circuit criteria, we said no more than 6 receptacles on one circuit. Remember when we did calculation? No more than 6 receptacles, duplex receptacle in one circuit. So that's your circuit criteria. So let's just say, okay, let's start by circuiting this area here. I'm going to start by, you know what? I'm going to go back down here because make it easy. I have 3 receptacles in the receiving room, and I want to circuit these receptacles. Cool. I want to put them in one circuit. I can put no more than how many on one circuit? 6. Okay, let's go circuit. Click on the first receptacle. Everybody can click on the first receptacle. The first receptacle. And do you guys see where did it go now? Power. Okay. I need to go circuit my receptacle now, of course, when I haven't, okay, analyze, manage. I'm looking for power. Anybody can see where? Okay. Is it there? To the right, create system. Thank you. Here you go. It's just need to be. Can you guys see create system? Thank you. Can you see power? Everybody can see the word power? Right? Pick one receptacle that you want to circuit. It becomes red. You can see create system underneath. You see the word power. Click on power. When you go to power, the first thing it will ask you is, so here's my receptacles. I want to, so circuit number, where does it say? Oh, right here. Everybody can see, guys. Can you see it says select panel? One more time. Let's do it one more time. Click on the receptacle. Everybody clicked on the receptacle? Good. When you go there, it will, under circuiting, well, now it's changing. Click on select panel. Did you guys get that one?
Yeah.
Select panel.
I tried synchronizing with them and it's not working at all.
Yeah, mine is, I can't save now, I can't reload anything. When I synchronize, it says piss off.
Okay.
Other users have saved changes to the central model since the file was open. Save your changes to the central model from the application menu, select save as, and create a new local file. With a different file.
Okay. Anybody is having the same problem, guys? Okay, so let's go. So I grabbed my receptacle, right? I'm going to go select panel. Okay, here's the panel option that you have. If you click down here, I have no panel option. Do you? Do you have any panel option here?
No.
Anybody has? Okay, that's because we didn't assign a distribution system for the panel first. So hit escape, get out of there, hit escape, hit skip, and go back to your panels. Let's go back to my panels. Oh, by the way, before I do anything else, I want you guys to click on the model itself. Click on your model. And do you see that little button here? This will pin the model so you don't accidentally move the model. Click on it, it becomes red on the model. Do you see that little pin? Make sure it's pinned. If yours is gray, then it's already pinned. Click on this. So what this will allow you is to pin your model so you can't accidentally move the model itself. Can I have thumbs up, guys, when you do that? Okay. So can you guys see it's gray now? There, and you see that it's gray. If you want to unpin it to move the whole model, you can unpin it from here. So can I get thumbs up, Chad, that every model is pinned? This is a good criteria. Okay, next, come over here. I want to go circuit receptacle. So which one am I going to think I'm going to go to? Which panel? Receptacle panel. Click on the receptacle panel. Everybody click on the receptacle panel. Right here under property, go all the way down to something called distribution system that we didn't assign. Where the heck did it? Here, right in here at the bottom. Click on this. Way all the way to distribution system. Can you guys see where it says distribution system? Pick 28120. On the distribution system, pick 28120. What you have told the software is this panel is a 28120 panel, and it will accept only 28120 three-phase systems, single phase and three-phase 120. So if you have a piece of equipment that says 48277, do you think you can circuit it from this? The software is intelligent enough to tell you, are you knucklehead? Two voltages, different voltages. Okay, everybody got that one? Thumbs up, Chad. As long as you're on it, guys, make sure you have enough juice in it. Can you guys verify that you have maximum number of breakers is 42, and it's a 100 amp panel, right? We set these one before. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so now let's go back. Now we have a panel to circuit to. Now, can I trust that you guys are going to do the same thing for all the panels that you have there? Make sure you verify that they have distribution system 28120, same way I did.
It's doing that same stuff, Chad, but it's saying that you have to relinquish your changes.
Okay.
So I don't know why
Can you drop things?
I can drop things on it, but like if I try to select my
Leave the model again. Just drop the things. I'll pin it for you. Drop the receptacles. Okay, here's my receptacle. Again, it should refer you to a circuit, electrical circuit, right? Select panel. Can you guys see the panel now? Do you have an option of RP panel? Do you have an option of RP panel? Or whatever the name of the panel. Receptacle. I picked the receptacle panel. Now this receptacle is assigned to this circuit. Now, only one receptacle though. Now I need to add to it. Can you guys circuit? Can you guys see the circuit here? Do you see a circuit? Now I wanna.
No, I don't. I click the thing and then I go to what?
Okay.
Receptacle and then I go to what?
One more time. Click receptacle. Do you see electrical circuits here? Do you see power somewhere here? Okay, let me show you here. Click here. Do you see the create system?
Yeah.
Okay, click on power. Okay.
No, I know. It's not in there.
Did you pick the receptacle? Pick the receptacle.
Yeah.
Create system. Do you see power? Click on power.
Yeah.
Okay. Now when you click on power, guys, you're going to go circuit like this. You go to select panel. Do you see where it says select panel? Everybody got that one? Select panel. Now we're going to go grab the panel from right here. Make sure you pick RP panel or whatever the name of your panel is. Okay? Everybody's there? Okay, now go back to electrical circuit here. And I selected the panel for them. Okay. All right, so let me go, because I selected panel, circuit. Okay, so everybody can see that you selected the assigned receptacle to a circuit. Now I want to add more receptacle to the circuit. Can you guys see it says edit circuit? Edit circuit. Okay, when you say edit circuit, it says, do you want to remove something from the circuit or add something to the circuit? What do I think I want to do? Add receptacle. Anything that not added to a circuit will be gray. Look at this one. You can't add it because it's already on the circuit. Can you guys see that? I'm going to go add this receptacle. It becomes black. Add this receptacle, becomes black. So I added two receptacles to the same circuit. They're feeding this one. Cool? When you're done, do you see the buy and finish? Hit finish. Now these three receptacles now are assigned to the same circuit. Are assigned to the same circuit. How do you know that? If you click on them, yeah, good example. If you click on them, it will tell you that. Can you guys see right here? It says receptacle panel here. One, circuit number one. Everybody can see that? Right on the side. Okay, and if you click here again, it will show them connected like this, connected with a home run. If you go back, if you click on this, I don't want to click here and go to circuit, it will show a line that's connect three of them together. We don't want to keep this line. We don't want to keep it, just to show it. Can I have thumbs up, Chad?
Some receptacles you just can't click on. I can't click on one of these receptacles. And then it's not black, it's just gray.
Yeah, because you're adding to the circuit. Did you hit finish here?
No, I'm still adding it.
Oh, okay, yeah, you can do that. Then until you finish, hit finish.
But I can't, I don't want to finish yet. I want to click this thing that's not letting me click it.
Yeah, I kept confusing yourself.
Okay, where are you?
Right here.
Okay. Okay, how many did you?
I got 6 on the thing.
Okay, you don't need any more than 6 anyway. But it should allow you though.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say finish. Get back to it. Okay. So these now you can click on that one. You see it says circuit 101. If you click here, it will show you all these have been circuited. Right?
I'm gonna add it over that. It's fine. I don't know why I couldn't open it.
That guy, okay, I think because you exceeded the circuit, how many do you have?
6.
Okay, so edit circuit, add the circuit. Can't add anywhere. This one can be added. Yeah, I don't know what this one. I think it's somewhere. Somewhere. Yeah, it's something underneath. It must have. Yeah, I think it's because it's underneath something. Oh, okay, finish. You don't want to put more than 6 though.
Yeah.
Okay, it was.
Sure.
If you is
It's, I can't do anything to this panel right here. So what we're supposed to do to this panel is just go in here and what were we supposed to change on here?
assign distribution system, go all the way down, distribution system, right here.
Right, and change it to
Yeah, equal to,
Yeah.
done.
and then hit apply, right?
Yeah.
Okay, when I do that, it's saying you can't do that because resources.
Okay, I'll walk you through it. I'll walk you through individual. Let me do it, because I have to do, I think I might have exited from it and I didn't save or give you that permission. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Everybody got that one, guys? Got the circuit? Got the circuit, gentlemen, ladies? Okay. Okay, so we got our circuit. One more thing I wanted to show here. Modify, manage. Okay, phase project. Manage your power distribution. Okay, no, not this one. Okay. Did you guys start your circuiting? Okay, here you go. Where's the view? User interface. Okay, do me a favor. Before you do anything, I would like you to do this little thing. Can you guys say view? This will make your life easier. Go to view, and we says user interface. Click on system browser. Click the system browser. It will get you another icon here. I know it becomes really hard. And if you click under electrical, power, receptacle, and you click here, it will show you all the receptacles, all the circuit that you did in the receptacle panel right on the side. Tired of it, you close it. But that's really powerful when you're circuiting because it shows you. One more time. Come over here, view, user interface. When you only, this is very powerful only when you're circuiting. Click on circuiting, it shows you all this stuff. The only thing you want to worry about right now is under the electrical, power, receptacle, right? Can you guys see that? I have, how many circuits do I have so far? If you click on this circuit, right, you can name the circuit to here. You can name the circuit later on as you can name it. So this will be, this is receiving room. If you, what was the receiving room? Room 120. So what did you guys say? R number 122. Okay, so apply. So this will be circuit. In the schedule, it will show in your schedule, Kerry, it will show as R122, room number 122, right? So we know what room number 122.
120.
120. Oops, change it again. 120. Room 120, apply. Okay, so here's my receptacle, my panel. It's a 20 amp circuit. Here's the load assigned to it. You don't have to worry too much about the load, the wires and so forth. Okay, can I have thumbs up, Chad? We have one circuit. Hallelujah, right? Let's go to another circuit. Do you guys remember that cubic here? Let's, you see that thing in the right in here? I'm gonna go circuit a J box. Now remember, you can't touch a J box because sometimes if you put them right underneath the furniture, you can't touch them. So you might have to hover a little bit. Do me a favor, just slightly hover over them and make sure they are, here's a move function. Make sure they're slightly, maybe in a location where you can move them, where you can pick them up. One more time. Okay, so I'm gonna go pick up make sure you can you guys give me a thumbs up that you can pick the J box? Everybody, pick the J box. Cool. All right, let's go circuit. Can you guys see where it says power here? Everybody see power? Click on power. The first thing you need to do when you power, what do you need? A panel. Click on select panel. I need to go select the receptacle panel because they are receptacles. Next, you need to, so select the receptacle panel. Okay, so here's my receptacle panel. And it will assign, can you guys see what has been assigned to it? 246. Anybody knows what 246 are? Circuit 246. Why 3 circuits right on the spot? Because when we dropped there, it was 3 circuits 208. So it's already done. It's already assigned to it. That's it. So you provide, just you touch it once, done. And can you guys see when you click it here, expand it, it will show a J box on circuit 246. This means 1 J box, 3 circuits coming to it. It will be wired into the furniture. Done. Check, Chad. Can I have thumbs up? We got it? Okay. Now, can you guys go to all the others and do them the same way? Okay. Don't go there. You're going to do it on your own. I want to go drop mechanical equipment. So I have a J box and I have 1 receptacle. Okay. So let's go drop a mechanical equipment now. Mechanical equipment. Okay. Mechanical equipment. So the rest of the receptacles are really the same way. The only thing you need to pay attention is no more than 6 receptacles, duplicate receptacle on 1 circuit, and make sure the quad receptacles are in a separate circuit than the non-quad. Because the quad receptacles, they want them to be data. They call them data receptacles, circuited separately. Okay? So grab, for the quad, you grab a quad, 2 quads, put them in 1 circuit. That will give you 4 receptacles. And for the other duplicates, grab 6 of them in 1 circuit and move on. Start from north to south and keep going. Let's go drop a mechanical equipment. Most of your mechanical equipment are going to be in the mechanical room. So for the mechanical equipment, can I have thumbs up, Chad? Dropping a receptacle and circuiting it right now is not bad. It's not, I mean, you now made a mistake. Oh, by the way, before we leave, made a mistake in the circuiting. Made a mistake, right? Oops, here's an oops. Let's go back to make an oops here. Click on this receptacle. I made an oops here. So what do? Edit circuit. So I want to remove this receptacle from this circuit. See when I said, so what do you remove? Do you see remove? Remove this receptacle from this circuit. Click on it and hit finish. Now this receptacle have been removed from this circuit. Does your receptacle, when you assign did it give the receptacle panel the tag? Did your tag show RP next to the receptacles that have been circuited? So what does that tell you? This is coming from the receptacle panel, but this is not the right tag that I want. I want another thing for this tag. Okay? I'll come to the tagging in a second. Okay, everybody knows how to edit a circuit. Click on the receptacle, add to the circuit or remove from the circuit, then finish. Hit the button, finish. Let's go drop a mechanical equipment. With me? Do I have all my friends with me here? So I'm going to come over here, zoom into the mechanical equipment. Okay, so for the mechanical equipment, go to page 13, please. Page 13. I'm going to start by dropping an air handling unit. If you guys go to page 13, let's read about the air handling unit. This says air handling unit located in the electrical mechanical room, 15 horsepower, 2.8 3-phase, division 16 to provide VFD for unit. So, Jeff, I need an air handling unit and a VFD right next to it. Can I have thumbs up, chat? How do I know? It says so. Let's go drop a air handling unit. For air handling units, guys, what we have done is we group them together. You can use the mechanical equipment when you load them. You can lose mechanical equipment loading, but we already did that for you. So follow with me. I'm going to go load mechanical equipment. Insert, load family. Now, if I'm going to go load from, here's, before you go there, if I want to load from the system, you go mechanical components. I don't want to go there. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? I don't want to go there yet. So I want you guys to go to your desktop and all the way to the instructor folder, because I have a bunch of families that have been developed for you for the mechanical equipment. Click on the instructor folder. Everybody's there. Go to the instructor folder. Do you guys see where it says Revit here? And under instructor folder. You can copy these to your folder if you want to, or you can load them from my folder. So click on Revit, and under 2000 families 2011, and see where it says mechanical equipment. I encourage you guys, before you do that, actually copy them to your team folder. It will be the best way to do it, is copy them to your team folder and load them from there. But for the time being, let's load just the air handling unit, and then you guys go do that. Do you see air handling unit here? Everybody can see where the air handling unit? Do you guys see the boiler pump? Do you, oops, crushed chicken. I don't want to load it. Load again. Okay. I don't want to do that. I went too fast. Okay. What? You don't like my crushed chicken? Okay. Here's all your mechanical equipment already developed for you. Now, Joe, my friend, if you couldn't find a mechanical equipment here, where would you go? Into the software where into your C drive, under mechanical equipment, search for it there. These are already developed for you. Almost all what you need is here. I'm going to go load only the air handling unit. So click on the air handling unit, load it. I loaded my air handling unit. Everybody thumbs up, Chad? Air handling unit, cool. Now I loaded air handling unit. I'm going to go home. I don't know if it puts it under electrical equipment. So go to electrical. I'm not sure if it mechanical. Thank you. So if you guys go insert, it's a mechanical equipment. Click on mechanical equipment. Synchronize save now under mechanical, because it is a mechanical equipment. Synchronize now. That's me. Okay, when you go to mechanical equipment, everybody can see mechanical equipment right here. Insert mechanical equipment. Yes. Oops, cancel here. Okay, so one more time. Home, mechanical equipment. It takes me all the way to the mechanical equipment. I have my air handling unit and I have a pump. The only thing I need is my air handling unit. Everybody can see that, my air handling unit. And I'm gonna go drop. Where's my air handling unit? Click on my air handling unit. And I'm gonna go drop my air handling unit. None of the created, do you guys get what I got? None of the created elements are shown here. Okay, cool, you're good. If you got this one, you're good. Hit escape, cool. Now I want you to hit VV, visual VV. Click VV. VV, these are how you turn things on and off. The mechanical equipment is turned off now. So I'm going to go scroll down here where it says mechanical equipment. Can you guys see that? And click it. Everybody saw that? I want to activate the mechanical equipment because we typically don't activate them, right? Everybody clicked on that mechanical equipment. Thumbs up, Chad. Okay, click on that boy. Here's my mechanical equipment. Do you guys see the air handling unit now dropped right there? Everybody can see it. Here's my air handling unit. Everybody can see that? Okay, so here's my air handling unit. I dropped right in this corner. I want to move it slightly. You can adjust it, move it. Here's what I want you guys to know for the time being. Just put it in one corner. We really don't care about the mechanical equipment coordination in terms of physical location. Typically done by the mechanical engineers, right? Mechanical engineers. So so here's my mechanical equipment. Cool, thumbs up, Chad. Mechanical equipment.
What did you choose?
I chose when I said mechanical equipment here, air handling unit, went in here, and I grabbed the air handling unit, the only option that I have. And I have it in my hand here. I'm going to get rid of it. Cool? Thumbs up. Now, with the mechanical equipment, we need what? VFD, right? Remember there was a VFD? I need to go drop a VFD on the wall. So I'm going to go load. I don't think I have a VFD. Load family. That will refer you to here. Everybody's there? VFDs are electrical equipment. So I'm going to go to electrical components. Everybody's there? I think they were under electrical power, if I remember right. Distribution. Anybody can see VFD here? Maybe not here. Okay, so go back again under,
It's under generation and transfer.
thank you, generation transformation. You might have to look a couple of times, guys, to find it. Here's my VFD. Under, in the C drive, in your C drive, the VFDs are electrical. In C drive, under power, electrical components, electrical power, generation and transmission. So please be patient when you are looking for things, guys. If you can't find it under one folder, go to the other folder. Thumbs up, Chad. Okay, so I grabbed my VFD and open it. I loaded it. Cool, loaded it. Okay, now let's go to home, electrical. So it was under distribution, electrical equipment probably. Electrical equipment. Electrical equipment. Here's my VFD. Here's my only option, my VFD options. What was the horsepower of this motor? 15, right? You guys see it says 15 horsepower. So I'm going to pick one that takes me from 20 to 10 to 20. Why 10 to 20? Because my mechanical equipment is 15 horsepower. I can't use 1 to 7.5. They give them in ranges. So I grab this and I'm going to go right here in the wall and drop it right next to the mechanical equipment. Here's my VFD. And click on the name. Can you guys see? Oops. It comes with a little icon here next to it. They're 480. Is yours 480, guys?
It says 460.
Yeah, 460, 460, 480. We'll handle this one in a second here. Just gonna get the name out. There you go. I'm gonna get the name here. Here's what I want you guys to do to name it. I want the air handling unit. I want to name it air handling unit. Gentlemen, air handling unit VFD. Air handling unit VFD. Big name, huh? We might have to use the tag. So VFD. Air handling unit VFD. Did you guys get that? So that's my VFD. We might have to change the tag here because the edit type. We'll get into duplicate tag and so forth in a second here. Okay, here's my air handling unit. VFD for the air handling unit. Cool? Now there's one little problem though. What was the voltage on that boy? 460. The voltage on that boy was what? 460. Okay? Do me a favor. What was the voltage on that one here? Didn't give us a voltage.
We need to be at 208.
We need a 208 three-phase. Did you guys, everybody's there? No? Yeah, it takes a little bit maneuvering, moving the words. Zoom a little bit deep into it. Yeah, it takes a little bit of really maneuver. When you see that cross here, grab it and that will maneuver. Yeah, it takes a little bit of maneuvering, guys, moving that word. Cool. Anybody was able to? Kerry, were you able to? Okay. Now we have one little problem. The voltage says 460, right? Right? Okay, that's the problem. So I want you guys to go edit. I don't think we can change the voltage here. Okay, can you guys see? We see click on property. Do you see the voltage here? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put 2.8 and see if that will take care of it? Apply voltage. Did it take care of it?
Yeah, how do I get the properties open?
Click on this one. Do you see where it says edit, type? Did you guys change that voltage to 8?
Yeah.
Love it. You guys are the best friends after my grandma. Okay, load. You know what? Driver control will, when we circuit it, I believe it picks the voltage of the system. Just for the time being, let's put it here. Okay, click on this. Now, when you click on the driver, I want you guys to go. I don't know if I can pick. Let me see what we can pick.
I was trying to get my thing, you go back.
Mine says 2.
Right here. Edit. Yeah. So what you're saying is a driver control voltage. Yep. Did you change it? Okay. I'm sure I thought you were talking about the voltage underneath it, the volt amp. Watts. So watts. How many horsepower do we have with this one? 15 horsepower. 15 times 746 is what? Anybody does that for me? 15 times 746. Everybody knows where that's coming from? 11,190?
Yep.
11,190. Let me see if that will take care of that one. Apply. I'm not sure if it's going to give you a load here. It didn't give you a load. Okay. So we might have to do that one by hand here. So 15 divided by 3 is what? So put 5,000, 1, 2, 3 here. And put 5,000. I'll tell you why I put 5,000, 1, 2, 3. And put 5,000 here. 1, 2, 3. Apply. Thank you. Thank you. One more time. Click on this, the VFD. Edit type. Now, I have 15 horsepower. 15 horsepower. How do you convert horsepower into volt amp? There are two ways. There is Chad Curtis ways for you guys to do it here, which you take the full load amp from the motor multiplied by 480, multiplied by 1.73 and do all the math. And there's the rule of thumb engineering way. The rule of thumb engineering way, guys, is a horsepower is equivalent to what? A kVA. A kVA. That's good approximation for this, for Revit. Did you guys hear me? 1 horsepower is equivalent to what? 1 kVA. So 15 horsepower, what do you think is equivalent to what? 15 kVA. Now, why do you think I divided it by 3? So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Why do you think I put 5K under each phase?
This is 3-phase.
Thank you. Might as well go home and call it a day. You guys know it. Okay.
See you later.
See you later. Okay, let's go circuit.
Oh.
All right, so I'm gonna go. Everybody, before we go ahead, everybody saw that we have 15. Can you guys see 15 right in here? Oops, why is it zooming? 15,000 volt amp 28. Everybody saw that? Okay, click on that. When you click on it, I need to go click on power. Can you guys see create system power? Create system power. Oh, by the way, before you do that, where do you think I'm gonna power this from? Kerry? Mechanical panel. Do we have a distribution system in the mechanical panel? Yeah. So before we go that, let's go do it in order. Oh, it's a main panel. Okay, let's go to the main panel. Do the same thing like we did the receptacle panel. Click on the main panel. We don't have mechanical. We'll put them in the main. Click on that. What do you think is missing yet? Distribution. You guys are the best after my grandma. Okay, where's my distribution panel, Chad? Right here. Click on this. Make sure you assign a voltage to it. What you have done is you told this panel to start accepting circuits. Each panel you have to do that. Okay, so everybody change that one. 208. How many circuits do I have so far? 42. If you ran out of circuits, what do? Come over here and change that number in multiples of 6. Okay, now this is good enough. Let's go to my VFD. They're all 208. All the panels are 208. We don't have 480 panels. We didn't drop them. You don't even have an option 480 because we didn't drop them. Does it? Yeah. Yours does? Then you dropped the wrong panel. Okay. Does it give you 208 option? Okay, then we have to go change your panel. Not a big deal. Everybody else their panels shows 208. Yeah, when we drop the panel, guys, it gives you a decision. You have to make 208 or 480 from the get-go. Okay, pick the VFD and hit create power. Everybody's there? Click on power. When you create power, it says select the panel, will you? Select the panel. I select the panel. Click over here. Oh, by the way, when you select the panel, you can touch the panel. You can go touch the panel, or the easiest way is to come over here. I have two options. I can put it in a receptacle panel or main panel. Which one do you think I have to do based on the criteria? Main panel. And guess what, gentlemen? My panel, my VFD have been assigned a circuit. If you don't believe me, you're going to go to the mechanical panel right next here. Can you guys see where it says air handling unit VFD is assigned a load here? Everybody can see that? Yes? Now next to the name of the circuit right here, the schedule. Can you guys see what the schedule says? I'm going to name it the same thing, air handling unit dash VF and D. I'm going to assign in the schedule, it will show as air handling unit VFD. Can you guys see the schedule right here? Load name. So, and it's under the mechanical panel, not the electrical panel. Can you guys see that? There's a mechanical panel, I mean the main panel, not the receptacle panel. Cool? Done. That's it. So this is, if you click on it right now, you can tell it's circuited by coming down here. I think it should show the circuit. Or shouldn't. Does it say any circuiting here? Otherwise, I think it shows it under, okay, here's number 3. It's assign a circuit. And of course, you can see it right here. 1, 3, and 5 are assigned to this air handling unit.
That's the flag.
Did it?
Yeah, you got the in the property.
On the property.
Go down to the flag. Very bottom.
Way at the bottom. Mark. Supplied from the air handling unit load. Where do you see the?
Is there a flag from the?
Yeah, thank you. Supplied from MP. I know it has to show somewhere. So supplied from MP. Good point. Okay. Any question, guys? Gentlemen, any question? All your mechanical equipment will be dropped the same way. Now, here's my question for you. Do I need to go to the air handling unit now and circuit the air handling unit? Now remember, the VFD have taken care of the air handling unit in the panel. You don't have to circuit the mechanical equipment itself. We need to assign a name for it though. You don't, if there's a disconnect, if the equipment has a disconnect with it, grab the disconnect and circuit the disconnect. Did you guys hear me? If the equipment has a VFD, circuit the VFD. If it has a starter, circuit the starter and give it the name, the same name of the equipment. Now I want to, so that's what we're going to do. Circuit the disconnect, circuit the starter, circuit the VFD, and put it right next to the mechanical equipment. Let's talk about tags. Let's talk about tags, will you? Okay, so this mechanical panel has, there's nothing that identify this box, is there? So can you guys go to annotate, tag, and click on this mechanical equipment. I don't have any tag for the mechanical equipment. Tag, annotate, I would, okay, annotate, tag by category. Did you guys get any tags to look? If you look at the electrical equipment, all of them have tags, but this is because mechanical equipment, there is no tag loaded mechanical tag. Okay, we'll get back to this one in a second. Let's go change the tag that we did. Let me get you into changing a tag. I want you to come over here, guys, and zoom into the receptacle that you circuited. Everybody zoomed in the receptacle that we circuited, right? What does RP mean? That's the panel that feeds this receptacle. Do you see any circuit next to the receptacle? Huh? Do you see any circuit? No. So I want you guys to click on this. The name of it's called the electrical device panel tag. That's the tag that we're using. There's different tags that we're using. I want to go edit this tag and make it show. You do this once. I'm going to edit this tag and make this tag show. And I want to make this tag show the circuit. So edit family. Everybody got to edit family. Okay, you go here, click on the panel name. Oh, I hope this is not the same one. Okay, cross exit. I just want to make sure this is not the same one that we're using for other panels, because it screw up the other ones. Let me just X at the top. Here there was an X exit. Okay, give me 1 second here. Let me see. Electrical equipment tag, and what was the receptacle tag again? This is electrical equipment tag, and this one electrical device panel tag. Okay, there are two different tags. Otherwise, did you guys see? Just click on it, and they are different names, so it doesn't matter. Click on this. Cool. Edit family. Pick the name. Everybody pick the name, right? Okay. Now, see what it says edit tag. Edit tag. Here's what's going to be assigned to this tag. I have the name. One more time. When you pick the edit label, edit. Yep. Edit label. When you go there, do you see where it says circuit number here? If you push it this way, then it will show the name. Can you guys see that? It will show the panel and the circuit number under the same tag. And you do this once in your lifetime in this project. Thumbs up? Yes, more? Okay. If you want to add more to the tag, you can just add more. If you want to remove from the tag, don't do that. Your tag should show the panel and the circuit number. Okay, okay it, apply, okay. And here's how your tag is going to look like. And do you see the exit button here? X button, exit. Do you want to save it? Yes. Oh, I don't want to save it to this project. So, okay, no. Let me see if it loads it. I should have saved yes, didn't I? Did it show up for you? Okay, so let me one more time. I think I should have saved it. Click on this. That's new. Edit label. Get the circuit. Click on it. Okay. Then load to project. That's what I was looking for. Load to project. Can you guys see where it says load to project? Load to project. I loaded it to project. Override existing. Yep. Yes. And off it goes, my friends. Here's your receptacle panel, RP1. What's RP1? RP circuit 1. RP receptacle panel 1 is a circuit. Any question, guys, about the tags? Any question about the tags? So let's just see if I can actually go here, edit family, tag, edit. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's your edit tag. That's the tag they're going to be doing. Edit label. We got edit the label. Keep visible, keep center, wrap between. Okay, so you can do a lot of things in here. Okay. No. Here's one tag. Any question, guys, about this tag? So all the receptacles that have been circuited, it will show a tag. One more time, I'm going to go add this receptacle to the circuit. Click on this. Here's my circuit. I want to add edit circuit. I'm going to add to circuit, grab this receptacle and finish. And you just added another receptacle to the circuit and you have a label next to them. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Before we move, thumbs up. That's exactly what you're going to be doing for the power. Okay, let's see here. What is this? Did we tag? Which tag? Why is this tag is not working here? Tag. Did we circuit? Oh no, there you go. Can you guys see this one? So this is RP246. What does that mean? This is receptacle panel, circuit 2, 4, and 6 right into that one. Why do I have a question mark next to underneath it? Because that hasn't been circuited yet. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We fully understand that. Well, at least.
Can we change the numbers later? Say we wanted it out.
Yes, you can recircuit them in the schedule, and it will readjust them here. That's the beauty about it. Okay, mechanical equipment, and then I'm gonna let you guys go. I know I abuse you. Can I let me guys see if we can load a tag, a mechanical tag. Insert, load, mechanical equipment, components. Do you see air components, connectors, components? Do you see tags? Oh, annotation. Go annotation. Can you guys annotation? Architectural, mechanical annotation. Okay, one more time. Andrew, my friend, if you can give me your divided attention at least. If you guys go, I'm going to go load the mechanical tag, go to the library under annotation, mechanical. Here's the mechanical equipment tag. Load, load, insert, load families, annotation, mechanical. Okay, let's go load this mechanical tag. I loaded it. I'm going to go annotate by category, and here's my tag. Get rid of the lead. Can you guys see that lead? Where did that lead go? Oops, cancel. Okay. All right, so here's my tag. If you click on this tag, what do you guys think this is going to be named? Air handling unit. Air handling unit. And I'm going to drag this here, and I'm going to get rid of the lead. Off it goes. So here's your mechanical air handling unit as a box with a name in it. That's all what I care about. There's the lead. If you click here, oops, this is the challenge when you might have to zoom. There you go. Click here. Do you see that little arrow here? Leader.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, unclick it. Ladies and gentlemen, can I assume that you know how to assign a distribution system to a panel, how to lay out your receptacles, and circuit no more than 6 in one circuit, and tag that receptacle? Thumbs up, Chad?
Now do we search our air handling unit?
No. No. You can, I guess, but you don't have to. If you click, let's click on this one and see what we get. Click on air handling unit, power, and what's my option? Select panel. Now, if you select the mechanical panel for the air handling unit, Kerry, in your schedule will show two loads. One air handling unit VFD and one air handling unit.
I'm saying you can't do it directly in the VFD mode.
Okay, yeah, to do it for the VFD, good point. You have to go to the VFD here, click on the VFD. We have to assign a distribution system to the VFD. Click all the way down to distribution system, right? Now your VFD acts like a panel, which is fine. Apply it. Okay, I picked the VFD. Then you go to the air handling unit, circuit, select panel. Now I'm going to assign the air handling unit into the VFD. Here's my VFD. And now here's what the issue is. Can you guys see right here what it shows here? It shows under the mechanical. Can you guys see that? Under the mechanical panel, there is a circuit that feeds the VFD, and under the VFD, there is a circuit that feeds the air handling unit. That's typically what it is. But it will show in the mechanical panel, it will show as what circuit 1, 3, 5, and that's all what you care about. You really don't. But if you want to do it, it shows like this. As long as you circuit the disconnect or the VFD or the magnetic starter ahead of it. If you're running analysis and calculation, that's the proper way of doing it. Any question, gentlemen? The software is capable of sizing the cables for you, but we're not using it for sizing. Is this enough to get your juice running?
Yes.
Okay. Juice are running. Okay, I'm gonna go. Give me a second. I'm coming with you, Zach. I'm gonna go, guys, synchronize for myself and come and help you individually. So I'm gonna go here, collaborate, synchronize, so I can synchronize now, and off it goes, gentlemen and ladies. Okay, so here's